Once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video at nagpapasalamat po kami kay White Lotus for inviting us. Napaka-generous po nila na host para sa video na to. Look at our spread.
It's
Grabe.
a long table.
Before natin ubusin, syempre, papakilala po natin.
Oh yes,
sila.
oh yes.
So on our table, syempre, ito yung pinakabago nila sa menu. Yung kanila Hong Kong style fried chicken.
Yes.
Salt and
This
pepper,
one.
steam and fish fillet tofu. Meron din tayong egg foyong, pancit canton, and yang chow.
So take note guys, no? So dito po sa White Lotus, collaboration po nila si Rice Republic.
Yes.
So you can see on their menu, meron po tayong mga Chinese food as well as mga Filipino dishes. You have options. Actually, 2 restaurants in one.
Meron pa tayong mga soy chicken noodle soup, beef brisket, beef broccoli, yung kanilang lechon nakaw,
Wow.
minced pork with eggplant. Ito yung mga dims na natin. Meron tayo.
Meron tayong siopaw, meron tayong siomai, meron tayong hakaw, at yung favorite natin na chicken feet.
Wow!
Yes.
Okay, so on my side naman, ito yung mga kakilala na natin since they are Filipino food, no? So meron tayong crispy dinuguan. Meron din tayong crispy kare-kare.
Yes.
Meron tayong crispy pata. This is an bangus overload. And ang pinakbet. So
Yes.
again guys, no? Siguro kung pupunta kayo dito, you can alternate it. Chinese, Filipino, Chinese, Filipino.
Tapos nandito na yung kanilang favorite na dish, no? Filipino and Chinese food.
Although yung location natin guys,
This is located dito sa may Solana Plaza, sa may JASA Road, Bacolor, Pampanga,
Yes.
and they're open from 11 a.m. up to 10 p.m. every day.
yun. So pag magdadine po kayo dito, you can, napakalaki rin ng kanyang dining area.
Yes.
At the same time, may mga, other activities and other establishments din po kayo. You might enjoy right after you eat sa White Lotus.
Yes.
So ayun guys, few minutes later, para tayong nag-man versus food.
Oo.
Food wins.
Pero ang kagandahan naman dito, meron na kayong bagong option for your Chinese
Oh, yeah.
food. At the same time, Filipino food dito sa may Pampanga.
So let's talk about the food that you enjoyed.
For me, ako nag-enjoy ako dito sa harapan ko. Ito yung
Minced pork.
minced pork with eggplant.
Eggplant.
So,
Really?
hindi pala kailangan i-judge ang pagkain sa kanyang itsura. Tinikman ko more than
Don't
yung
judge the book by its cover.
Ako naman, maliban doon sa chicken nila, yung Hong Kong style chicken, ay yung egg foyong nila.
Egg foyong.
Yes.
Yes.
Same na itong tofu
Actually, tofu is
Masarap.
good. Ako rin
Sabi
nagustuhan ko
tofu.
yun. Ako naman syempre, I'm a soup person.
Super sa
So, nadali natin yung beef brisket. So,
Oo.
and also yung noodles, I have to commend, no? Yung noodles nila, it's not starchy. So, hindi siya yung parang dry sa loob naman. So, a good quality.
Yes, oo.
Again guys, this is an option. Pagpunta nyo po dito, actually, parang commercial compound.
Yes.
So, napaganda rin na you can stay here during the evening.
Yes.
Just chill and relax dito. While, or after you eat dito pa sa
Yeah.
White Lotus. Yun, guys. So, if you like the food you saw in this video, kung natakam po kayo, ayan, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And of course, we hope to see you here and on our next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.